first met in 2014 as classmates at San Beda, grade 7, St. Hilda. At that time, I honestly thought Ali and I wouldn't click that much because our personalities didn't exactly match.
And when I first saw her, parang natakot ako sa kanya. Parang na-intimidate po ako sa kanya kasi very strong nga talaga yung personality niya.
Hindi siya yung blockmate, yung classmate mo na pag nag-recite, talagang mapapatingin ka kasi grabe, ang galing niya magsalita, ang galing niyang sumagot.
Tapos parang naisip ko, ay nahihiya ako sa kanya. Since her surname is Sabocor, my surname is Sandoval, magkatabi talaga po kami. And I didn't know that I would have the best seatmate and one of the best friends that I'll ever have.
Pero despite that, makikita mo na she's a wonderful girl talaga. Sobrang charming, sobrang down to earth. Lahat na ng pambobola, totoo po kasi talaga. Hindi lang po ganun ka-showy si Ali, pero sobrang nakaka-touch kapag naging friend niya siya.
Thank you sa friendship. Thank you sa time na napagsamahan natin. And sabi nga ni Francis, we hope Dubai treats you well. Kasi excited kami for what's in store for you. So, alam naman namin na Dubai will treat you well kasi you're always doing your best.
Masaya ako na maging parte ng mga momentous events mo in life. And now, you just earned your degree with flying colors. With that said, I could attest na grabe yung growth mo as a person, as a student, as a friend, as an apo, and as a daughter.
I'm so proud of you. Sabi ko sa'yo, kayang-kaya mo yan maging Latin honors. And ngayon, we're very excited to see you grow more kung anong career yung ipupursue mo. And maraming salamat kasi isa ako sa naging parte ng buhay mo.
And sana wag mong pabayaan yung singing pagdating ng Dubai.
And I always pray that God will continue to bless you abundantly in health and will continue to protect and guide you in all your endeavors. Congratulations, my dear, little, big, precious baby. Good luck, and I love you. To be together, it's a lovely day.
So I wish you well as you embark the next chapter of your life. And Alisa, congratulations. And the world is yours to conquer.
Your hard work has paid off, and the world is ready for your brilliance. Embrace every opportunity with open arms and a joyful heart. We love you, Alisa. Congratulations and best wishes.